all. So we're going to talk about 4.5 number 3. That was the most voted problem from this section. Remember, if you are stuck on anything, please vote for those so I know which ones that you want me to see me go over. So on this one, it talks about making a line graph. So we're going to go over making one, given the data that we have, where we're given the age of someone. I put that on the y-axis, and I did 70 through 75. And then the year on the bottom, which we've got 1970 to 1990. So we always want to label that. So year and age, and we've got our numbers laid out. And then we're going to look at the table that's given, and we're going to plot the points. So in 97, we're looking at 70.8 as the age. So we're going to look at 70 here, and then up to, so this would be 70.0. In between would be 70.5. So 70.8, that's our first point. And we're going to plot all the points from the table. So we should have one at 75, 80, and 85. So I'm just going to fill those in here quick. A little bit above 72 for the year 75. A little bit below 74 for 80. A little bit, same distance below for 75, for 85, and then 90 is a little bit above 75. So our points now should look basically like that. And everyone's are going to be slightly different, right? We don't want to make such a big graph that you've got every single tenth in there. And then to make it a line graph, we're just going to connect those with segments. So it's going to look I drew 1 point wrong. Don't worry, I fixed it. I don't have white out, unfortunately, but I drew a point here when it should have been here. So I'm going to just take my correcting pen. I've got a red pen, and I'm just going to cross out those so that I know that that's the wrong part. And it's all right, we can do corrections together. So I'm just going to do a little red, cross that out. So now it's asking for 1982. Now 1982 is going to be about here. So it's not quite halfway. And what we're just going to do is then just take that line and follow it up. And we're going to hit the line, in this case, we're going to hit the line right around, for me, it's about here. And so when I take it across, this looks like it's at 74, maybe 0.2. But honestly, anything around 74 probably means you have accurate. I know that the back of the book says 74.1. If it's 74.2 or 74 for your graph, that's just fine. We're looking for something that's approximating, and we're estimating. All right? So that's how you get that answer. Hopefully this helps, and please nominate problems that you're stuck on.